there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Friday, January 18th, and we're going to do a follow-up really quick on a video we did last week, or not last week, but earlier this week, talking about the setup in gold and what we were watching for that for the gold market and the setup that we've been paying attention to for the past week or so. And that was this pennant pattern. Well, it triggered today. It broke to the downside, and you've hit your initial targets. If you were in the trading room, you know we were talking about that. It broke out at about 1287. It's down at 81.7 right now, so you'd be up about $600 per contract or so, a little bit less. And you're hitting your first target because we hit significantly undervalued on the 240-minute price chart. That's the lower red price bar segments there, as well as we're running into previous pivot lows for support. So the next thing you want to be watching with this is we want to watch for the breakout through the next support level. So we have support on a pivot low at 1280.2 and then again down at 1278.1. But because we've already hit our first profit target, that means we're taking off half profit. And worst case scenario, we've made money on the trade. If it bounces back up, we'll get out of it. As long as it doesn't completely retrace the move, though, you look for it to continue to push lower. Momentum looks good, and we look for it to press through this support. Once we're through all the support, it should be okay to keep on heading lower. So that's what we're watching. Great job to everybody that took this trade set up. Again, this is one we talked about here on YouTube. Go back. I'll link that video at the end of this video, so you can go back and check out what the setup was. Nice job for those that traded it. Again, watching for the next support break now and for continuation to the downside. 1/2 profit target off. But that's it for today. If you want to get this type of setup, we talk about these things every single day in the end of day videos and in the trading rooms each day for both futures and options and equities. So you can try out the membership for only $7 for an entire month. There's a link in the description below to try that out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.